All the men elected me to rank the best first date. Oh my goodness, yes. Ooh, right off the bat, number two. The only reason why these are number two is and that's the exact reason why I anticipated that Matt were gonna be on this list. We got the first two off rip. These look like they may be for someone a little too young for me, so I'm gonna put them at 10. All right, so now the top 10 foods. What do we? Oh, okay, a burger. I think a burger is literally smack dab in the middle.